Hey there, I'm going to show you how to use Monopoly Go Pink Vaults to complete Sticker Album. Let's begin. So once you've logged into Monopoly Go, there are different tabs that you can go to where you can earn cards. So you can go to the left side there where it says wins, and then once you're done clicking on that, and as you can see there, if you keep coming back day by day to the game, you can earn the pink packet, which contains some cards. So that's really cool. So now we're just going to go back. And also you can build if you want to. So you can fix a specific area with some cash that you have. So you can fix a specific area of your place with some cash that you have. So we're going to go back and you are going to select the tab which says Marble. So now we just need to collect different cards so that we can complete this sticker album. Now, if you want to complete it in a much faster way, you can go to the bottom right where the vault is. You're going to click on that. And as you can see here, we have the orange vault, that's 250 stars. And then we have the blue vault and then the pink vault. Now, the pink vault, currently it's locked for me, but if it's unlocked for you, you can use that to complete your sticker album. And there you go. If this video helped you out, then please leave a like and consider subscribing. It's free, and it helps the channel to make more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.